Guys, there we have a Realme 10, and today I will show you how you can rearrange apps and widgets, icon styles and colors. So you start from the widgets. To give some widgets to your home screen, just hold your finger and tap on widgets. Now choose your widget and hold it again. Choose the place for it and drop. Click done. If you want to resize it, you can do it like that. You can change the place for this widget too. Okay, to create a folder on your home screen, just hold any app and drop it on another app. To change name of it, click here and choose your new folder name. That's it. If you want to change the icon style, just hold your finger again on the home screen and tap here on the icons. Now you can choose the new icon style or custom it. Choose your new shape and apply. You can see now the icons are rounded. If you want to change some color on this menu bar, you can do it by opening the settings, click on personalization and tap on colors. And now you can change the color of your system icons. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.